Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Azzy Graphics. In this video I'll be sharing with you about 3 of my PLP file. Now they are mainly posts I posted on my IG page. If you're yet to follow me on Instagram, please do well to follow me. Okay, so these are some of this. Okay, let's just go. Let me show you. This will be one of them that I'm yet to save this, but just hopefully I'll just save this. Let me just make this game on. So this is the first one, game on. So this is the first one. All the resources are here. Then you can. The other one I'll be sharing with you is this. Yeah, this church flyer I did, strengthen the inner man. So the resources are here. You can easily get it. Just let me be sure that I haven't sent it before. Okay, I haven't sent it before. So this will be the second one. Now the third and final PLP file I'll be sharing with you contains one of my the reason I'm actually sharing this with you is because I did a bit of manipulation on this on the background. So let me hide I know you guys will actually like it, so that's why I am sending this one to you. So let me just hide. Let me hide. Okay, so now I did it. I created this background myself. So the image, you can see. Alright, so let me just hide this image. You can see it. I hide the image and also the statue of the man. So, and also this environment. I know it's something you will like, that's why I'll be sending it the PLP file. Now I've taught you how to save one of, maybe you just see a particular file in this PLP and you want to keep them for yourself. So how do you do that? So then what you just do, let me just get one of my design that I'm not having any elements. Yeah, let's just bring in this one. So I have less elements here. Okay, so I'll just come here and let's just say, okay, maybe you just want the picture of this man. Make sure you come to this last one and click on transparent. So you just bring your image or the file, probably it is this phone you want to keep. Just keep it here and just come to save image. Then make sure it is in PNG. Then you can leave it as ultra. You can leave it in ultra. Then click on save to gallery. But I won't be clicking because I don't want to save it. So when you click on save to gallery, it's going to appear in your recent. Or you can also check your Pixellab folder. It will be there. Your file manager. Come to Pixellab folder. Now it's going to be somewhere around here. It's going to appear somewhere around here. So Pixellab folder. So this is one I saved. This is one I saved. It was actually something I did. I was working on that project, but I don't want to tamper with it again. So I just had to just save this file. Alright, so in case you want to now to save this PLP file, how to install it on your Pixellab, check the link in the description of this video. I made a video separate, special made for that one. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.